There's so many ways smart home products are making our everyday lives easier. For people living independently, they can give loved ones and family members peace of mind that they are safe and sound when there's no one else around. Keyless Bluetooth locks, like these, are great because they can open and close doors using a smartphone. It will also send a notification when your family has arrived home safely and will lock automatically, so there's no need to worry whether the house has been left unlocked. If you're looking for an extra set of eyes on their home, the video doorbell is a great solution. It takes minutes to install and lets you answer the door from literally anywhere using a smartphone or PC. You can also get instant mobile alerts when people press the doorbell or trigger the built-in motion sensor. When you're answering the alert, you can see, hear, and speak to who's there. Voice-activated speakers like Google Home can turn electronic devices such as lights and TVs on or off, or can even call friends and family hands-free, which if emergency strikes can be incredibly helpful. And they are just some of our team's favourite products that can help with independent living.